How to add a cart to the Grab app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a cart to the Grab app. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Payment Methods to access your payment settings. From here, select the option to add card. Now, tap on Enter Details manually to input your card information. Fill in the required fields, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered all the details, save the information. After that, go back to the home page and pick any food item you want to order. Once you've selected your item, tap on Add to Basket to include it in your order. From here, you can also select the newly added card as your payment method for the order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.